Hey IG Garage family, ever had your car struggle to start or randomly stall while driving? If your obd2 scanner shows code P0230, you're likely facing a fuel pump circuit issue. Today, I'll break down what P0230 means, show you where to locate the problem, and share tips to fix it. This issue can seriously impact your car's performance, so stay tuned. So, what exactly does P0230 mean? Code P0230 indicates a fuel pump primary circuit malfunction. Essentially, your car's engine control module, ECM, is detecting an issue with the power circuit that controls the fuel pump. Without a steady fuel supply, the engine won't run smoothly or even start. Now let's get into the important part, where to find the source of this issue. The P0230 code usually relates to the fuel pump relay, which you can typically find in the engine compartment fuse box. In some vehicles, the relay may also be located in the main relay box near the battery or firewall. This relay is essential because it provides the power needed for your fuel pump to function properly. If the relay or circuit is faulty, your fuel pump won't be able to supply fuel to the engine efficiently. Typical symptoms of a P0230 code include hard starts, engine stalling, and sometimes even an illuminated check engine light. Common causes could be a damaged fuel pump relay, corroded connectors, or broken wiring in the circuit. To resolve this issue, start by inspecting the fuel pump relay and its connections. Make sure the relay is firmly seated, and check for any corrosion or loose wiring. If the relay looks worn out or damaged, it's best to replace it. After making the repair, clear the code using your obd2 scanner and start the car. This should help reset the ECM and verify that the issue is resolved. And that's how you diagnose and fix the P0230 code. If this video helped you, please hit that like button, share it with your fellow car enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe to IG Garage for more in-depth car diagnostics. And before you go, check out these related videos. First, watch our video on P0093, which covers fuel system leaks, and don't miss our P0031 video for insights into oxygen sensor heater circuit issues. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.